Okay, Engineer Ron from Red Deer. Okay, I was killing myself laughing in my helmet, not watching where I was going. And this Ron got up to the left around a tree into a big snowbank. And then I was not paying attention and veered off to the right into this snowbank. So we got 3 stuck sweaters. Okay. And I have to kill Ron.
I wonder where I was. Well, I didn't have that thing wrapped around me, my kill switch.
Yeah.
It would have been right if it would have died right here.
Yeah. Okay.
But I think we could go this way, right?
Let me see. Okay. Oh, good one, Ron. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey, Ron. Give me a hand here.
Well, I've got nothing to...
Okay. My hand. Okay. That's good. All right.
Well,
Yeah.
I saw it on TV once.